Looking to enhance your PC's performance? Driver Booster is your go-to tool. It optimizes your computer by updating outdated drivers, significantly improving efficiency and speed. Installing Driver Booster is simple. Once set up, it scans your entire system for outdated drivers. This ensures you never miss critical updates, maintaining optimal performance by keeping drivers current. After scanning, update all drivers with a single click. Driver Booster automatically downloads and installs the latest versions, saving you time compared to manual updates. This resolves compatibility issues and bugs draining your PC's resources. Driver Booster offers backup and restoration points, allowing you to revert changes if needed. This safety feature lets you update drivers without fear, keeping them in top condition. Driver Booster also optimizes system settings and improves gaming performance. Enabling game mode prioritizes resources for games, minimizing lag and enhancing gameplay. Users report noticeable speed and performance improvements. To boost your PC performance, Driver Booster is essential. By updating drivers and optimizing settings, it ensures smooth, efficient operation. Download Driver Booster today and experience the difference in your PC's performance.